So I'm on google.com.au, and let's just type into Google vitamin C serum. All right, so vitamin C serum is one of the hottest selling products on Amazon. You can make quite literally hundreds of thousands of dollars a month selling vitamin C serum on Amazon. And most folks don't realize that you can do a lot of SEO on Google to then promote your listing on Amazon, and that's an incredibly awesome way to make even more sales kind of for free. So thing number one, which is a good reason to get your links on Instagram and Facebook, is because what that will do, it will give you something called SEO link juice, which just means Google will go and search for what's called social signals. They'll find social signals on Facebook and on Instagram, and they will give your listing on Amazon a boost in the Google search engine results. That's very, very cool to do. Costs you nothing. It's super, super easy. And of course, the less competition you've got on somewhere like Google, the better for you. That's going to work really, really well. So that's thing number one, which is awesome about that. Thing number two, which is awesome about that, is that Amazon as a platform, when it comes to doing, let's just go and do vitamin C serum so we can continue on. When it comes to doing search engine optimization on Amazon, I mean, this is just ludicrous. Look at this. The top, so many opportunities, it just does my head in sometimes. The top results on Amazon here, look how many reviews they've got. 0 reviews. 0 reviews. Top 3 results. Oh my God. Somebody please rectify this. Somebody please go sell vitamin C serum on Amazon. Get some reviews and dominate. Holy shit. Anyway, enough of that. So to get this top spot here for vitamin C serum on amazon.com.au, one of the things that Google does is it looks at where the traffic comes from that arrives on Amazon. And if it arrives from another platform like Facebook or Instagram, something like that, then it weighs that traffic far greater than it would do had somebody gone directly to Amazon. It gives more weight to that traffic as far as SEO goes, search engine optimization. Now, why on earth does it do that? Easy. Customers, new customers. Amazon is a business. Of course, it wants new customers. Amazon knows the lifetime value of its customers, and therefore, anytime you can help Amazon get more customers, you will be rewarded for that with additional link juice. And that's what happens. So that's 2 very, very good reasons, Ross, why it's very, very important to set up your Facebook and Instagram accounts and things like that, and to use them to drive traffic to your listing. It works so well, so well. Please, somebody, holy shit. I mean, let me show you something. I don't want to kind of get sidetracked, but you know, I always do. Vitamin C serum. This is Merchant Words. I love Merchant Words. It's bloody awesome. Vitamin C serum, 4.4 million searches per month. I mean, come on. 4.4 million. Now that's in the USA. Let's go take a look at Australia. 196,000 searches per month in Australia. Now, let's just go back to the Australia here. Amazon.com.au. Look at your competition. That's it. No reviews at all. Okay? There's only 452 listings. The first person to own that search term on this platform and have the #1 spot will set themselves up for life. Well, not necessarily for life, but certainly for the next 5 or 10 years on Amazon. You'll be set. I mean, holy shit, you'll be set, and that will be a money-making machine. I know folks who've got the vitamin C serum in the USA who are making $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 a month just from one product. One product. One product. Amazon Australia represents a absolutely freaking crazy opportunity because of stuff like that. All right. Because if we go over, just remember that I am getting sidetracked. I do apologize. I get myself all excited and worked up when I see so much money lying on the floor here. 452 people selling in Australia. Let's go check out this. Over 1,000 results for vitamin C serum. Go. It's just nuts. And look at the search traffic. It's just nuts. You can make muchos cashola doing it. And it's just going to get better and better and better. Anyway, enough of that. Let's continue on our merry path. I hope somebody takes that on board and starts selling it because it's just a crazy opportunity. And Christmas, FYI, is just around the corner. Who do you think buys this stuff at Christmas? Presents, gifts. Anyway, go on. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.